Hello, in this session, we'll see how to find the partial differential of a function. So, let us say there is a function z which depends on two variables x and y. So, let z be a function of variables x and y. Now, what if we treat y as a constant and vary only x? Then this function z with the variables x and y will be a function of only x. So I can say z will be a function of x only, because we are treating, or we are not changing the y value and we are keeping it as constant. So in that case, if we try to find the differentiation of z with respect to x, then the derivative of z with respect to x is what we call partial derivative of z with respect to x. That is, y will be treated as a constant and we will be differentiating z only with respect to x. And this can be denoted as dz by dx, or dou f by dou x, or simply f with a suffix x, or dxf. These are all denoting partial derivative of z with respect to x. And similarly, we can do the same thing in terms of y. So if we treat x as a constant and vary only y, then in that case this two variable function z will become function of y only, and then the derivative of z with respect to y is what we call partial derivative of z with respect to y. And this can be denoted as, let's say, dz over dy, or dou f over dou y. It can be represented as with a suffix y, or something like that also. So this is how we can do it with respect to x and y, considering that z was a function of two variable x and y. There are possibility that z may be a function of, let's say, three variables. Let's say it is a function of x1, x2 and x3. So we can do the same thing with respect to x, keeping x2 and x3 constant, with respect to x2 keeping x1 and x2 and x3, with respect to x2 keeping x1 and x3 constant, or with respect to x3 keeping x1 and x2 constant. So this is very much possible. Now the next observation which we can do is, in general, this fx or fy are going to be the function of x and y only again. So fx and fy are also function of x and y. So it is possible that we can differentiate this further. So further differentiation is possible. So what we can do is, we can differentiate dou z over dou x again with respect to x. So this will be second order derivative of z with respect to x, or maybe differentiating dou z over dou y again with respect to dou y, again with respect to y, will give second order derivative of z with respect to y. And we can also find, so this is sometimes referred as fxx, this is referred as fyy. Possibly we can differentiate dou z over dou x with respect to dou y also, and this will be given as, also it is possible to differentiate dou z over dou y with respect to dou x, and this will be, so this can be denoted as fxy, or this can be denoted as fyx. It can also be verified that fxy will be equal to fyx if the double differentiation of the function is possible. So this is how we find the partial derivative of a function. Thank you.